So I'll just give you a quick walk through one of our offices. You can see as somebody walks in the door, we welcome them. We'll change this sign so that it has their name right on there. I can't tell you how much people appreciate that. So that's the first way that we really introduce ourselves to people. As they walk in, you'll see we've got our corporate logo here, and if you look way in the back, you can see they're right from the start. Todd and I came in one weekend, and we just plastered the office with everything, so I'll show you kind of what's... We've got it on the wall, we've got it in all the cubicles, and people walked in, and I never saw them smile so much as when they saw how we had redone the office. And it's been a long time now, and they're free to do whatever they want in their cubicles, and they've left it up there. So that's a statement about the type of people that we hire, that they really live our core values.
Yeah.